I can't stand my girlfriend's favorite dress because it's from her ex. Goodbye, Mark. I had a bunch of ice cream tubs laying around from eating away my feelings, so I decided to recycle them and add them to the dress. Look at that melting, just like my heart when I see her. I switched to heating it in the oven so it's faster. I use this little tool to cut the dress in half. It's quite handy for separating dresses. Thank you, Mark. I love your art. I used a picture frame as a border to dress in. I use pot lids and glassware to create the shape for the handbag. Use a bobbin and a marker for easy seam allowance. Here's a neat trick. You can use a toothbrush to thread needles easily. I'm going to use her pearl necklace for a more personalized touch. I'm just threading the details into the bag. I decided it needed a pop of color, so I dyed a few chips yellow. I added a lining to give the bag some accent. Use a magnet to keep your pins together. Another neat trick I picked up. Let's start sewing. I can't believe I turned this dress into a handbag. Don't worry, everyone. I was kidding about the dress being her favorite. She was going to donate it anyways. What do you all think? Will she love the bag, or will she dump me and get back with her ex? I'm checking out other ideas to repurpose our clothes. This looks like a cool way to save my old jersey. Definitely gotta try that one. My girlfriend has so many graphic tees that she doesn't want to get rid of for sentimental reasons. I'm going to use my sewing machine for this one. I think she would appreciate this blanket a lot. How cute. We can try this idea for our cat, Mr. Fluffs. He likes to hide in small spaces.